Imagine that I've been praying to see someone they suspended their TikTok Ads Manager account so I could do this video. Good enough, today, I remember that one of my students once reached out to me that her account was suspended. But at the time, I didn't know what I'm about to share with you here. Okay, so in this video, I want to share with you how you can recover your money from a suspended TikTok Ads Manager account. That means your account has been suspended. There's money in the account. You've tried to appeal and they are not opening the account or reopening the account. This is what to do. By the way, I have an earlier video on this YouTube channel where I shared on a particular method you can use to appeal your suspended account, because the first thing to do is not to use this route that I'm using. This is the final route you are going to use, and in this case we are not trying to recover this account. Simply what we're trying to do is to recover the fund. Okay, I hope you got that. So to get this going, first of all, this account has got to have a dedicated business center. Okay, a dedicated business center. So let's first of all check about this account to know how much is in the account. So this is the amount in this account now, 9,668 naira 22 kobo. Okay, so we want to recover this money. Your own might be higher, right? I've done it with my account, I've done it with another person's account, but I don't know why I never thought of recording it. Okay, so I want to record this one so you see. So it should have, like I said, a dedicated business center, and I believe this one has. So let's come here. Okay, just click on this tools area, right? Click on it, then you see business center. So click on business center. Okay, so we are now on the business center area. It's showing business center here. So we click on this business center to open it. For now, we don't need this, so not now. Okay, so here now, let's close this. We don't need this here. But then we go to accounts, click on accounts. Okay, so you can see the suspended ads manager account here. Okay, so this is the one we want to recover the fund that is left there. Okay, so follow me carefully now so that you don't make mistake. Okay, so once you come here and it's on advertiser account, right? It has to be like this. Okay, then come here and click on add advertiser account. So I'll click on it. And wow, we're supposed to click on this, but it's saying that this account does not have access to the business center. That's a challenge now. Okay, this is not going to work. This is not going to work. Okay, let me quickly guide you as to what to do. But in the two other accounts that I've worked on, here is active. So once you click here, go ahead and create another ads manager with the details that will be provided. Okay, and add a few more details to the form that you will see. Okay, but use the detail, the main detail that it presents you with. Then fill up the other places where it will ask you for your business name, right? So you enter a new business name, enter a new, I think, phone number and email, right? Just enter those things and then create that account. Once you create that account, the money, this money in the suspended ad account will be transferred into that new ad account. Do you know why? Let me show you from here. This business center now, not the ads manager, right? This is the business center area. So when you scroll down like this in this business center, you come to this payment management. Okay, let's click on it. So can you see that money is just here? Okay, that money that is in that ads manager is trapped here in the business center. So if it were possible for us to have created another ad account under this business center, then this money will automatically be moved to that new ad account. Okay, so if you have an ad account that has been suspended and you follow the process that I just explained, and that create button is active, click on it, go ahead and create, and let me know in the comments how it went. Okay, so I'll be expecting to see people's comments that it worked for them, because truly that's how to do it. But I'm also thinking that TikTok might have disabled this particular button for any suspended TikTok Ads Manager account, but just try first and let me know what you see. Okay, by the way, if you are new to this channel, you can check around to explore wonderful contents we have here on TikTok Ads Manager. And if you want to join our class, TikTok Ads Made Easy, the link is in the description of this video. Do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next interesting update. Okay, and if I happen to see another account that has been suspended, or if you have an account that has been suspended, right, you can reach out to me I'll help you do it. At least one person now. I'll help the first person to contact me to do his or hers for free so that I can capture this process in real time. Okay, so I'll be expecting that first person. If it's not the first person, I'll have to charge you, right? So I'll be expecting that first person. Take that action and meet me on my WhatsApp DM. See you in the next interesting update.